Minecraft is a game which allows players to build with a variety of different blocks in a 3D, procedurally generated world. This tutorial covers the installation and configuration of the Minecraft server on Ubuntu operating system. If this video goes too fast, slow it down. The installation procedure is simple. First, update the system. Then you need to install Screen, Java 16 or 17, NetTools. Once installed, you need to create a custom directory to put the server itself. The jar file for the server can be downloaded from papermc.io. You need to rename it in paper.jar and make a custom startup script start.sh. You need to accept Minecraft's EULA and modify the EULA.txt file. Once the server is set up, you can connect to the server from a remote client on the network. In this example, I connect to the server with PuTTY using the SSH protocol. Then I launch the server. On Windows, I use TL Launcher to connect and play Minecraft on the server. You now have access to all the command to control the Minecraft user session.